So this looks like it's going to be an interesting kit. I'm going to try and build this a little bit differently. I'm not going to talk about this other than now. And I'm just going to build it all up quietly and time-lapse it. But it's a very nice kit. There's a laser printed case by the looks of it, a really nice front panel, some excellently rubber buttons, which I'm really hoping that these LEDs are going to light up. Obviously those for the scores, some nice hardware, a very flat little 8-ohm speaker, that looks good as well, and a nice looking board. So I'm looking forward to building this. Oh, there's this whopping great big long chip as well, STC's chip there. So I'm going to get on with it and build this and not talk about it, and I'll play with it afterwards. By the way, this is the listing and this is how much it was to buy this kit. Just slow down for the final bit. I must say that was a really lovely kit to put together, but the worst, most fiddly bit was getting the paper off the back of that. You also notice maybe I didn't fit those high enough. I'll let them go right to the bottom, and the instructions say do them with 4mm above, so I messed that up. But anyway, doesn't matter. I might get some more of those, it depends, and refit them. So all that needs to be done now, whoops, the moment of glory, is to put these in here. Let's put the buttons on. The buttons are lovely, by the way. Got the little carbon tracks on the bottom that push onto those pads. So let me see if I can just pull those over like so. And I hope now I can just screw the remaining 4 black screws in. a bit easy enough. It's a pity about those, but of course I should have read the instructions. I did read the instructions, but I only saw those pictures afterwards, because the instructions just said put all the stuff on the board from the smallest components to the biggest components, so I was just following that. But then in the pictures there was that extra bit. Just need to push that. Hopefully push that through. Yeah. Looks like they go on like that somehow. I'm sure that's not right. I might need to put those through the holes somehow, but not to worry. In fact, I'm going to do that correctly. These buttons have got little standoffs at the back. Make sure they all go through into their little holes correctly. Yeah, so they need to be pushed into the holes. These little standoffs need to be forced almost into little holes underneath. Okay. Ooh. Spoilers. Spoilers. That's quite impressive, the sound that comes out of that. Those buttons are in there nicely now. Make sure that lead is down. And now this again finally. Not sure whether this, found that bit as well. Not sure whether that came with the kit or not. I will check the video afterwards, but I don't know where it goes. This is a Simon game, a kit. Great fun to do, taken me about half an hour to build, I think, approximately. Worst bit was getting the paper off the back of the black plastic, which I didn't need to do, but I thought I'll see it forevermore if not. So here goes. Whoa. So not bad. I like this. That's a really nice little electronic game, and just like the old Simon of my youth, that early electronic game. My only regret is that I didn't see instructions about that, but there you go, a Simon kit.